Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to password protect a folder inside your Windows 11 PC or laptop. Please make sure to watch this video in its entirety so you don't miss out on important information and to not make any mistakes. In saying that, let's just get straight into it. Alright, I'm going to open up my folders inside my PC. Now if I want to password protect any one of these folders, right click it. So I'm going to right click here and then I'm going to click on properties. Now from here I want to click onto advanced. Once you've clicked on advanced options, you'll come to advanced attributes and then you want to click on encrypt contents to secure data. Click on that and then click on OK to apply. But please take note, this only works for Pro version Windows or higher. So if you don't have Pro versions of Windows or higher, this will be grayed out and you won't be able to do this. So that's it for this video guys. Thanks for watching to the very end. Please consider to like this video and subscribe to our channel if you found it was helpful.